players who make this stupid shit on Roblox. God, I hate the French. Whose idea was it to recreate this neo-Gothic nightmare? This game probably got 10 monthly concurrent players with old-ass broken scripts. I could make a better FPS just to make that kid cry. Shitty-ass build, shitty-ass build, shitty-ass build. You can build anything on here, but it will probably be a horrific load of free. Holy shit, is that Mega Miners? This game probably got 10 monthly probably got development predictions whose idea was it to recreate this neo-Gothic nightmare. This game probably got 10 monthly concurrent players with build. You can build anything on got 10 monthly concurrent players with old-ass broken scripts. Mega Miners? Whose idea was it to recreate this neo-Gothic nightmare? This game probably got 10 monthly concurrent players. This game probably got 10 monthly concurrent players with old-ass broken scripts. I could make a better FPS just to make that shitty-ass build. Shitty-ass build. I can make a better FPS. You can build anything on here, but it will probably be a horrific load. Shitty-ass build. Shit, is that Mega Miners?
We are made by 3 JVAs.
Go ahead and play our game. Don't develop an addiction to furry bullshit.